In example 5, it says graph the function 1 over x minus 3 plus 2. What are the equations of the asymptotes and what are the domain and range? So on the screen in red is the parent function 1 over x. That is here in red. That's the curve here in red. If we have an x minus 3 in the denominator, that means that this asymptote moved to the right 3. So the minus 3 moves it right 3. So instead of having this asymptote at the y-axis, it's over here at the vertical line, x equals 3. And then we have our plus 2 on the end, and that's going to make the hyperbola slide up 2. So instead of having the line y equals 0 as the asymptote, it's y equals 2 because it slides up 2. From there, I'm going to graph my new function by noticing that the numerator is still a 1. That means there's no dilation. And if there's no dilation, you can basically just recreate this red graph up here at its new location. It's like this hyperbola has moved down the street and up 2 blocks, right? It moved to the right 3 blocks and up to its new location is up here. And you can draw it by putting a dot at 1, 1, -1, -1, and then just making the graph get closer to this asymptote, closer to that asymptote, and you'll be done as soon as you draw those. So the blue graph would be its new location. And we can recreate that on Desmos if you'd like. You could go ahead and pop this into Desmos and check to make sure that it's your normal hyperbola, hasn't been stretched, moved to the right 3 and up 2.